Dear friends and family, this is a video postcard from Barcelona, Catalonia. We're doing okay, and we'd love to have you come visit. I wanted to also show you our independence flag hanging from our balcony. Like many Catalan families, we believe that Catalonia should have the right to vote in a referendum on independence from Spain. Like we Americans in 1776, there are many Catalans who don't feel represented in Spain. They feel like their language is scorned, their culture is ignored, and they are overtaxed and underfunded. Just today we found out that the Spanish government owes Catalonia more than 9 billion euros. That's a whole lot of dollars. But Catalans don't want to fight a war like we Americans did. All they want to do is vote. They want to exercise their democratic right to self-determination. On September 11th, over 1.5 million Catalans joined hands from one end of Catalonia to the other. That was about 250 miles, in order to demand their right to vote in a referendum. But Spain says they can't. Spain says they won't even talk about it. They won't negotiate. I think that's wrong. I think it's undemocratic. If you agree with me, please go to letcatalansvote.com and add your name. Add a video if you like. And be sure to demand to let Catalans vote. Thank you.